Hi friends, good evening. This is your chef Prakkash. Hope you all doing good. And from the last few weeks, because of my work schedule, traveling, and some other important works, because of these kind of issues, I cannot able to make the video. I cannot able to make frequent videos. I'm extremely apologize for this thing to break down my flowing videos from last 2 weeks. Even I am also feeling very bad. I cannot able to post the video in YouTube. I got some of the messages from my followers and subscribers. They are keep on asking what happened, why you are not posting the videos. Even I cannot explain the things because of my work, and even right now I am in traveling, so I get a free time and I have a peace of mind. So I am planning to make some important video, and it is should be very useful for you all. So today I will talk about the food healing, and how to maintain your food smoothly in a home remedy. So you no need to uh, take any ointments or whatever it is. If you do this method, now I am going to say, if you follow this method, you will get relief from the food pain and food cracks. And one more thing I will add in this video, for the diabetic patients, if they have a burning in the food, they have pain in the food, there is also one remedy I am going to say now. First of all, I am say about the food crack. It is normally happen for every human being. It is because of your skin became hard in that food place, because you are not applying oil or any Vaseline creams. If you make in your legs before you take bath or before you sleep, it will help to keep and maintain your food should be very healthy. But we are not doing these kind of things regularly, so these kind of food crack will be coming and food pain is coming. So what is the remedy which you can make it in the home? It is very easy and it is very simple also. So take a warm water, put it in one tub. It should be a medium warm, not hot water. Put a one lemon juice, one piece of lemon juice. Put bathing salt, not a cooking salt, iodized salt. There is a bathing salt available in the market. Try to find out and use that one. And put some turmeric powder. Put your legs daily for 15 to 20 minutes in the warm water. Okay. If you maintain this one for at least 15 to 20 days, you will see the reaction. After you finish that warm water feeding in the leg, try to apply some coconut oil in your food before you sleep. It is also very helpful for you to get recover soon from the food healing. And you have to wipe your legs with tissue. Whenever you use this method, you try this method, don't rub your leg with any towels. Try to use the uh, napkin. That is very important. And another recipe I will told for the diabetic patient. Even diabetes patients have the food burning, and someone have a food pain. For this kind of problem, you have to use the warm water, salt, and turmeric, the same. But another one item you have to add, that is the medicine for the sugar patients, for diabetics, that is bitter gourd. Cut the bitter gourd 5 to 6 pieces, put it in that water, and keep your leg for 15 minutes. After you remove from the water, warm, wash your legs, fingers with any good soap and wipe with the napkin. If you follow these methods regularly, within 1 or 2 months, your leg burning will be automatically reduced. So this, just now I read about this one in an article, so I am make this video for you all. So kindly try to use and give me your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a good day.